Introduction. Welcome back to Financial Mo. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects us all: economic trends and their impact on personal finances. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these trends is crucial for making informed financial decisions. So, grab your notepads because we're about to break down complex economic concepts into simple, everyday examples. Segment 1. Overview of economic trends. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let's start with a quick overview of economic trends. Economic trends are patterns in the way our economy behaves over time. They can include factors like inflation rates, interest rates, and GDP growth. For example, when inflation rises, the purchasing power of your money decreases. To illustrate, imagine your favorite cup of coffee costing double what it did last year. That's inflation impacting your everyday expenses. Segment 2. Inflation and purchasing power. Let's zoom in on inflation and its direct impact on our purchasing power. When prices rise, the same amount of money buys you less. Consider housing costs. If property values surge, buying a home becomes more expensive. This affects not only homebuyers but also renters, as landlords may pass on increased costs. It's like trying to buy a larger pizza with the same amount of money, you get less pizza for your dollar. Segment 3. Interest rates and debt. Now, let's shift our focus to interest rates and their impact on personal finances. When interest rates rise, borrowing becomes more expensive. For example, if you have a variable rate mortgage, your monthly payments could increase. On the flip side, rising interest rates can benefit savers, as they earn more on their savings accounts. Picture it like a seesaw. When interest rates go up, one side, borrowers, goes down, while the other side, savers, goes up. Segment 4. Unemployment and income. Unemployment rates also play a crucial role in our personal finances. During economic downturns, job losses can lead to decreased income for many. Let's use a restaurant analogy. If fewer people are dining out, waitstaff might see a reduction in tips. Similarly, in tough economic times, job insecurity may impact your earning potential. It's essential to have an emergency fund to weather these storms. Segment 5. GDP growth and investments. Now, let's link economic growth to investments. A growing GDP often translates to a thriving stock market. Imagine the economy as a garden. A flourishing garden yields abundant fruits. Similarly, a growing economy can lead to higher returns on your investments. It's like planting seeds in fertile soil. Your investments have a better chance to grow. Segment 6. Global economic trends. Our last stop is global economic trends. In our interconnected world, international events can impact personal finances. Take currency exchange rates, for instance. If your country's currency weakens, imported goods become pricier. Picture it as a vacation souvenir. If the exchange rate isn't favorable, that imported trinket might break the bank. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at economic trends and their impact on personal finances. Remember, staying informed is the key to financial success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, this is Mo, signing off from Financial Mo. Happy investing.